There's a new boy in town. His name is Audiolab.
Audiolab is a British audio equipment manufacturer known for producing high-quality hi-fi components.
Wrong script. Take 2. There's a new boy in town. His name is Audiolab. Now you can make
Audacity be like, me using Audacity.
Me using Audiolab. Me vibing with Audiolab.
I got fucked by MID, I noise gate, phase cancellation, dithering, and all that gibberish. So me search, and I found nothing.
Okay, I'm confused.
Beep, beep, beep.